beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be playing with some new goodies that I received. I received a package from Karity. This is the second time I receive a package from them. I did get their first palette, which is this one right here. It's very, very pretty. I was pregnant around the time and I asked you guys if you guys wanted a video and I never got around to it, but I'm so sorry. I will definitely get around to it now. So here is the second one. This one is Picante. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Mira. Look how pretty. Is it even doing it justice? Hold on, let me see. Do you guys see how beautiful that one is? Oh my goodness. Valentines, fall. I might dip into this one too. This one is a 21 highly pigmented matte. And here it is. Look how gorgeous this is, you guys. See how pretty they are? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to play around. So let's do a Valentine's inspired eye look. First, let's get some info on them. Sure to create endless looks perfect for day and night. 100% cruelty free. We have a big soft spot in our hearts for animals. For every palette you buy, Karity will donate a meal to an animal in need. That is awesome. And they did send over 3 of their brushes. So here's their E31 brush. Looks really, really soft and feels soft. Here is their E30 brush. And here is their E27 brush. Brushes like this is what I first started off with when I applied my eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys remember, but I would pack the shadow on and I would go right underneath and just boom. And I'd go right in my crease, I'd flip it and boom. You can still do it, but now, like, you know, things have changed. More products come out, you start evolving in the makeup, and it's so crazy because it's like I used to do that. You know what I mean? So let's go in and add a concealer. I will be using the ColourPop No Filter. This one is in medium 26. And I just like to apply this on my lids using a TheMakeupShack T29. You guys know I love this brush. You know, I need to go out and get some like cute stickers for Valentine's Day or some glitter, cute glitter, like heart-shaped inspired ones, you know, to be a little cute and extra. Go in with this shade right here, which is Cancun. I will be using an E31. So we're just going to apply that. Ole mole! That is pigmented. Wowza. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented. Wow. So let's just blend this out. I'm not mad at it. I'm just, wow. I didn't think it was gonna wow me like that. Okay. Nice. We're just going to blend that. Going in with this beautiful shade right here using their E30 brush. I'm gonna go like this. And it has like no fallout, mira. Like a little, like it doesn't have any kickback. I mean, it has like a little bit, but nothing like where it's like crazy. So now we're gonna go in with the brush and we're just going to add that color in our crease. I'm not even touching the Picante palette yet. I'm just like over here with the matte one. The matte one got me shook. Holy crap, man. I'm like really wow. So I'm just going in with the E31. I'm just going to blend at the beginning. I'm really wow because it's just too, like, wow. Like, you see how pink that shadow is and it like pops. Okay, let's go in with that red. I really want to add that red in there. Look at this one, not safe for work. Okay, go in with this shade. We're still gonna use that E30. This brush I already know I'm going to love. I feel like it cups my crease really good. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna add that in the crease. Ooh, as well, just like this. Oh, that made it like even more Valentine's. I guess I said Valentines. Valentines. with an M instead of an N. I was cracking up. Valentines. I don't know. Sometimes I just be making up my own lingo. I'm really, wow. Wow. I keep saying that, you guys, but like, wow. Wow. Girl, I'm so mad I didn't play with this sooner. But I'm glad I'm playing with it now. So we're gonna go in with this baby right here. And we're just going to clean up under our eye using the E27 brush. I'm gonna show you guys how I used to do it. So I used to just go like this. It's just so easy because it gets right underneath. And then I would just bring down. It's not like an, oh my god, like a hack or anything, but I'm just showing you guys how I would use this brush. So let's go back in with that reddish shade, just a little bit, and we're just gonna add it just a little bit, like blending it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, let's see, with like a purple. Let's go in with that purple, very lightly, because like if it's super intense, I'm gonna be like, oh. Let's go in with that, and we're gonna add that very lightly in the crease. And to cut my crease, I'm using the TheMakeupShack T37. Now let's go in with crease using the TheMakeupShack T48. It's okay, this isn't perfect. We're gonna cover that up anyways. So we're gonna go back in with the E30. We are going to grab that purple right there. I'm gonna grab that purple and kind of just apply it at the end. Gonna go in with some old tape I had right there. And we're gonna pick up that shade again, and we're gonna build that color right there. Cause you see before the tape, it was kind of hard to grab that color right there. And now since we have the tape, it's helping build up that color. Going in with my Too Faced glitter glue and my TheMakeupShack T69 brush. It's a silicone brush to pick up glitter. I'm going to apply this on my lid first. Then we're gonna go in with some Villa glitter. And we're just going to press it on our eye. Oh, I feel like this definitely helped the look. See it? It's like pretty. I'm just going to lightly blend that above the purple. Then I'm gonna go back in with that color and clean underneath the brow. Okay, so I do want to try out the LA Colors matte liquid eyeliners. This one right here. Ooh, I like the tip. Okay. And let's wing this baby out. Okay, just need to clean up just a little bit. I'm not mad at it. That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some lashes. Let's go in with my Dubai lashes. Those are my favorite. Okay, it's still drying down, but here it is with the lashes. So now I'm gonna go in with a Becca Lilac highlighter. And we're gonna grab that, it's pink. So we're gonna add that right here. Look how pretty that did. Oh, this look, oh, it's so pretty. Barbie world. And okay, then we're gonna add this underneath. So then I'm gonna add a cream color to my waterline. This is supposed to, it's a matte and shimmer dual-ended highlighter pencil, but I'm using it, and it's from Eyeliner, but I'm using it for my, let's see how pigmented this one is. So this is an Urban Decay Double Team Special Effect Colored Mascara. And the color this one is Vice. Ooh. This one, and then, ooh, this one. Okay, and now let's go in with the cream. And you put the metallic on top. I didn't really coat a lot of my lashes. Like, I have baby eyelashes, so it can kind of be both, like, because I have baby lashes or because the formula isn't like the bestest. But there you go. So there's the eye. So I'm gonna go in with a nude lip. And this is a L'Oreal Infallible Color Matte. And this one is in Mastermind. It's so creamy, look. Okay, we're gonna go in with this one. So this is a Smashbox Los Angeles, and I will be using Hustle and Glow. So going in with the Maybelline Master Fix. I'm gonna go in with this one, and it's called Alexis. L'Oreal did send me their new Band Stretch No Limits Unlimited Mascara. So we have 3 choices. So we got the Blackest Black, Black Brown, and Blackest Black Waterproof. Ooh. It says unlifted, length, and lift. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little potion bottle. Look at that. See that? And we're supposed, oh, that's cool. So we're supposed to be able to change it like this, Mina. Bless you, baby. Bless you.
But you broke it.
Wow. No, look, it's supposed to be that so you can like really get in there like that. Well, I guess. Look at, so you can put your little hand right there, your little finger. And then there you go. No? Okay, what are the claims? It's supposed to be like huge. Use straight to stretch and lengthen. Use bent to lift lashes from root to tip. Okay, so when you're applying it, I could see where that could be convenient to have it bent so you can like get in there really good. Glides onto lashes to build up any look with no clumps or flakes. Does not smudge, removes easily with eye makeup remover, suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lenses. That's so cool that it said that, because sometimes when I apply too much mascara, I'll get the mascara on my contacts and that's it. I have to throw that pair out because it's so hard to remove it from your contact lenses. Regardless, like it doesn't matter if I try to like, you know, clean them really good, it just stuck to them. The bottom lashes, it looks pretty nice. And I like the bottle, that's cute. It's like a little potion bottle. Look at that. You definitely can build up the formula for sure. And it does make the lashes longer because like you see, this is 2 coats, this is 1 coat. You can see the difference. And I like that it dries down. I like when mascaras don't stay wet because I feel like if they stay wet, they'll play me and then they'll smudge, you know what I mean? So far, first impressions, I'm not mad at it. So here is the finished look. So what I have to say about the palette, it's super freaking pigmented, super duper pigmented. You guys heard me a lot at the beginning, like, wow, oh my god, wow. Pigmentation seriously amazed me. I can't wait to play around with Picante. Can't wait to play around with this one. If you guys want to see me doing a look with this one, make sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know. So yeah, this one, wow. Pigmentation, wow. So I can't wait to see how this one is going to be. This one, yeah, it really wowed me. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much for sending it. It's freaking bomb. Pretty proud of myself. I did not go into like these colors right here because I really wanted to. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed my second Valentine's look. Make sure to check out my first one and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.